Hello, my lovely. Ever heard the saying, birds of a feather flock together? It might sound a little strange, so let's break it down. Do you think it means A, birds literally get stuck together by their feathers? B, all birds are exactly the same? Or C, people who share their similar interests or backgrounds tend to become friends? Think you cracked the code? Leave your answer in the comments below for a virtual high five. Ta-ra for now till the next time. Do remember to check out my daily community post for more fun English quizzes.